National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 260, effective until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday. This watch includes the following counties: Bastrop, Caldwell, Hayes, Lee, and Travis. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Williamson County, central Travis County, until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 10:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hudson Bend or near Anderson Mill, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Austin, Round Rock, Cedar Park, Pflugerville, Anderson Mill, Windmere, Leander, Lakeway, Lago Vista, The Cave, Westlake Hills, Hudson Bend, The Hills, Barton Creek, Mansfield Dam, Jonestown, Briarcliff, Point Venture, Vollant, and Brushy Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.